Hi everyone, welcome to Tichu's Magic Touch. Today we are going to prepare very delicious and easy masala corn recipe. So here is our recipe. Here I have taken 1.5 cup of boiled corn kernels. To this we are going to add veg mayonnaise, approximately 5 teaspoons. Now we are going to add salt as per the taste. Now we'll add some red chili powder. Some roasted cumin powder. We will add some chaat masala. Some fine chopped onion. Some finely chopped coriander. Some lemon juice. Now we have to give a good mix. Here we don't need to be precise about the measurement of the spices and the mayonnaise that we are using. We can adjust everything as per the taste. It seems our masala corn is ready. And also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Links are given below.